In today's video, I'm going to show you how to erase to transparency in GIMP the right way, so you can remove backgrounds, delete unwanted parts of an image, and actually make those areas transparent instead of just painting over them. This is one of the most useful things to know in GIMP, especially if you want clean cutouts, transparent PNGs, or professional-looking graphics for thumbnails, logos, overlays, and social media designs. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. Once your file is open, look over to the Layers panel on the right side. This is where you'll work with the layer settings before erasing anything. Now here's the important part. If you try to erase on a layer that does not have an alpha channel, GIMP will not make the area transparent. Instead, it will just fill that space with your background color. So before you use the eraser tool, you need to add an alpha channel to the layer. To do that, right-click on your image layer in the Layers panel. A menu will appear, and from there, click Add Alpha Channel. If the option is grayed out, that means your layer already has one, so you're good to go. This step is what allows transparency to work properly, and it's the difference between a real transparent cutout and a flat-colored patch. Once the alpha channel is added, you can start erasing. Press Shift and E on your keyboard to quickly switch to the eraser tool. You can also select it from the toolbox if you prefer using the mouse. After that, go to the Tool Options panel and adjust your brush settings. You may want to change the brush size depending on how much you're removing. And you can also adjust hardness for softer or sharper edges. Now move your cursor over the part of the image you want to erase. Click and drag across the area, and you should see the checkered transparency pattern appear underneath. That checkered background means the pixels are truly gone, and the area is transparent. If you want to erase larger sections, increase the brush size. If you need more precision, use a smaller brush and zoom in for better control. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo with Ctrl and Z, or use the undo history to step back. That makes it easy to refine your work until the image looks exactly how you want it. You can continue erasing until the background is fully removed, or until just the specific parts you want transparent are left behind. Once you're finished, the final step is very important. You need to export your image correctly so the transparency is preserved. Go to File, then click Export As. When saving, make sure the file format is set to PNG, because PNG supports transparency. If you save as a JPG, your transparent areas will be lost and turned into a solid background again. Choose your location, name your file, and export it as a PNG. If GIMP asks you to confirm PNG export options, just continue with the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. After that, open your exported file and you'll see that the erased areas remain transparent exactly as intended. So, that's the full process for erasing to transparency in GIMP. Just remember the three key things. Add an alpha channel first, use the eraser tool to remove pixels, and export as PNG to keep the transparency. Once you know this workflow, it becomes really easy to create clean, transparent images for all kinds of projects. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.